Let us sit on our mat, back straight. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. 2 more counts. Deep inhale and exhale. And 1 more last count. Deep inhale and exhale. Let us join pranam or namaste in front of your heart chakra. Push your palms against each other. Put some pressure on your palms against each other. Back should be straight. Let us start chanting Gayatri Mantra to begin the practice for today. Om Bhur Bhurvasvaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Namaha Prachodayat. Om. Let us start the practice with the promise that we do with ourselves. First of all, thank yourself that you were able to make up for this practice for today. Not many can do it. And secondly, let's give this promise to ourselves that we will do the best for the next 1 hour, and we will keep challenging ourselves. Those who attended the class yesterday, today it is going to be tougher. So let's do it together. Don't worry, we will do it. We will rock it together. Okay? With that promise and challenge to ourselves, slowly, let's open our eyes to begin the warm-up for today. Let us start with the warm-up. You can come on your hands. Just let me know if you are able to hear the music. Yeah. Let's come up on our hands. Okay. Right leg goes out straight, and let us start with ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Toe away from you, towards you. Toe away from you, towards you. Toe away from you and towards you. And just move your fingers also up and down. Right leg comes back. Left leg goes out. Okay, just for the people who have joined today. Left leg goes out. We will start with ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now toe away from you and toe towards you. Away from you, towards you. Away from you and towards you. Just move your fingers also a bit up and down. With this, legs come down and you can come and sit in Sukha Asana, or you may want to continue in Vajra Asana. So Vajra Asana, like you all know, you are on your knees, but those who are heavyweight, in case you are not able to sit on your knees, it's perfectly fine. You can come and sit in Sukha Asana. Okay, from here, let's go up. Place your fingers on your shoulder and let us start with making zeros from inside to outside. So from inside to outside, we are making zeros. 3 inside to outside, then again from inside to outside 4, and inside to outside 5. Now from outside to inside 1, outside to inside 2, outside inside 3, outside to inside 4, and last count outside to inside 5. Okay, from here, let us start with arm rotation. So you may want to spread your arms like this on the sides, fingers facing the sky, and then you will start with arm rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. For some time, let's come on our knees so that we can do other arm rotations with our hand. Okay. So let's come on our knees. Nothing to be done. Just be on your knees and start your arm rotation from right hand side. Only the right hand goes up. Only right hand. Okay. So left hand is still here. Only right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, very good, 9 and 10. Now same thing in the opposite direction. So from the back to the front. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Same thing with the left hand now. So left hand first we will do. Just look at me, front to back. We will go from front to back. Okay. So front and then back. 1, 2, front and back. 3, front and back. 4, front and back. 5, front and back. 6, front and back. 7, front and back. 8, front and back. 9 and 10. Now the other direction, from back to the front, 2 back to the front, 3 back to the front, 4 back to the front, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now let's do both hands together. So together both hands from the front to the back. Yes, very good Malika. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The other way round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. From here, let us do some twisting moves. Place your right hand on the right heel. Okay. Right hand on the right heel, and then lift your left hand up and just look at the left hand. Okay. Feeling the stretch on the left hand side. Come on, Lisa Didi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's come back. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Very slowly, let's come back. And now let's place the left hand on the left heel. Lift your right hand up. And let's start looking at the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's come back. Let's once again come back and sit on our mat. Again, you may want to sit in Sukhasana or you may want to sit in Ardha Padmasana. From here, open up your arms and then let's bring the arms in the front and clap. Okay, so open up your arms again. 2, clap. Okay, back. 3, clapping. Back again. 4, back again. again 7, back again 8, back again 9, and back again 10. Okay, with this let's move on to the next move. So now place your left hand on the left shoulder and just twist, and as if you are giving something on the left hand side. Okay, so just give twist. Can you see the twist over here? Just do it once, everyone. So left hand पे yes. नहीं अजय सर 1 second. So left पे इधर किया और फिर right पे इधर. हाँ, yes, yes, you got it. Okay, yes, yes. Come on, Malika. ठीक है, everyone. So you are feeling the twist. हाँ, is there anything? पहले left पे किया, हाँ, ऐसे. Yes, very good. ठीक है. So I think everyone has got it. Now let us start together, everyone. We will do 10 counts. Okay. So left hand on your left shoulder, right out, left out, 3 right out, 4 left out, 5 right out, 6 left out, 7 right out, 8 left out, 9 right out, and 10 left out. Okay, from here, couple of more stretches. So just bring your hands up in the air, make a fist or interlock your palms, and then just move your palms behind to give some stretch to your shoulders. Bring it back as much as you can. Your chest may be bulging out. It's fine. Hands straight, and then bring it a bit back and feel the stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then slowly and slowly from here, let's open up our arms. Let's further continue. So now place your right hand on the right hand side and then lift your left hand up, and let's try to stretch on the right hand side to feel the stretch on the obliques. Okay, let's hold here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep going more and more. Let's come back. Same thing on the other side now. Left hand comes on the mat now. Lay your left arm. Inhale from the right hand side, and now feel the stretch on the right obliques. 1. Keep going down as much as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come back. We will do one more variation in the same exercise. So what we will do? We will try to place the elbow also down now. Okay. So till now we had just placed our palms. Now we will place the elbow also. Those who can't do, it's okay. Don't worry. Okay. Those who can do, fine. Let's do it. Those who can't can still continue to place your palms. Although try to place. Very good, Malika. So try placing your elbow on the mat, and now inhale and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's come back. Same thing on the left hand side now. Left elbow comes down. Inhale and right hand goes to the left hand side. Let's continue to hold here for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And let's come back. Let's start with neck rotation exercises. Okay, so like you all know, we do about 4 variations. Let us start with the first variation. Okay, so the first variation is inhale from the right hand side. You will slowly and slowly start rotating your neck. Okay, so once you have inhaled, slowly and slowly go back. Once you are halfway through, start exhaling. Exhaling, and then slowly and slowly come down. Count number 2. Inhale once again from the right hand side. Come on, Malika, let's start. Right hand side. Inhale, very good. Exhale. and slowly come down. 3. Once again, inhale as much as you can, get more and more oxygen, and then go back. Exhale and come down. Don't lift up your shoulders. Try to bend your head as much as you can. 4. Inhale. Very good, everyone. Exhale and come down. 5. Inhale once again. And slowly. Let's come down. With this, we are done with 5 rounds. Let's start the same thing from the left hand side now. So inhale from the left hand side. Exhale and come down. 2. Inhale. Exhale and come down. 3. Inhale. Exhale and come down. 4. Inhale. Exhale and come down. And 5, last count. Inhale once again on the left hand side. And then go back. And slowly come down. Let's come back to center. So I hope all of you are done with 5 rounds on both sides. So now what we will do, inhale and look towards the right hand side. Only rotating your neck, your back or body is not moving at all. Only your neck is rotating. Okay? Let's everyone start. Back. Inhale, let's look towards the left hand side. Back. 2. Inhale, right again. Back. Inhale, left again. And back. Inhale, 3. Right again. Back. Inhale, 3. Left again. And back. Now the next variation is we will look top and back, and then we will look down. Once you're going down, you will try to push your head with your hands. Okay? So come back to the center. Let's start 3 counts. Inhale and let's look up. Come back. Inhale, go down. Try to push your head. Back continues to be straight and back. Second count. Inhale, let's go up. Back to center. Inhale, let's go down. And back to center. Inhale, let's go up again. Back to center. Inhale, let's go down. And done. And the last variation for neck rotation is inhale and bend on the right hand side. So when you are bending, you will want to take the support once again of your hand, right hand, to push it more and more on the right hand side. Okay, come back. Inhale, bend on the left hand side. Try to take the support. Back. 2. Inhale, bend again on the right hand side. Back. Inhale, bend. bend on the left hand side. And back. 3. Inhale, bend on the right hand side. And back. Inhale, 3 on the left hand side. Couple of more stretches to be done before we move to the most challenging part of today's section, of today's class. So let's come back. From here, place your left palm on the right knee. Right hand goes back and twist and look back. Okay? So your left palm is on the right knee. Right hand goes back, twist and look back for 10 seconds. Twist as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's come back. Same thing. Place your right hand on the left knee. Left hand goes back and twist and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's come back and bring up your arms in front of your chest. And let's again inhale and twist on the right hand side. And let's hold for 10 counts. Try to go again as back as you can. Let's hold for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3. Very good, everyone. Looking very beautiful, everyone. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's come back. Inhale. Let's go on the left hand side now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's come back. And last stretch, just open your legs in the front. And we used to do all these things in our childhood. Touch the left toe with the right hand. Your left hand is back. And then right toe with the left hand. And right hand is back. Let's do 20 counts, okay? Starting with the right hand, left toe. 1, 2, come on Malika. 3, 4, very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 and we are done. Okay, come on, let's get up on the mat. That is why intentionally we did the warm-up in the sitting posture today, because we have to finish the squats challenge today. We will be doing 100 squats. So lot of legs will come into action now. Okay. So now everyone, okay, first variation of squats. So what we will do, come at the end of your mat. This everyone can do, so don't worry. Come in the squat position and then right leg. We will do a squat walk. Okay. So right leg goes out in the front and we are in the squat. Then left leg goes out. We are still in the squat position. Right leg out again, squat position. Left leg out again, squat position. And right. And then we will go like this back. Okay. So each step that we go out, I will do 1 counting. Malika, Nisha ji and Smita, go slow, because Nisha ji and Smita, you have knees problem, and Malika, this is the first class for you. How much you can do that much only. Okay. Don't put too much of pressure on your knees. It may start pain. Okay. So go slow. Don't try to bend too much. How much you can do that much. But let's try to do it. Okay. Okay. Everyone, Sarita, Ajay sir, Lisa Devi, Saha, I know you all can do it. So let's come and let's start with the first variation. Let's come at the end of your mat and let's get ready to do the squats walk. The first variation of 20 counts. Your legs shoulder width distance apart. And then let's come down in the squat position. Okay, and I'm starting the counting now. 1 right out, 2 left out, 3 right out, 4 left out, 5 right out, 6 right back, 7 left back, 8 right back, 9 left back, and 10 right back, 11 right out, 12 left out, 13 right out, 14 right out, 15 left out, 16 right back, 17, 18, 19 and 20, and we are done with the first variation. Okay, I know it was a bit easy. Start with the जितना होनी चाहिए उतना करो, ठीक है, जितना हो सकता है उतना. आई टोल्ड यू फॉर यू एनीवेज, जितना हो उतना करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. और आपको अगर आगे पैर नहीं कर पा रहे हो साथ में ही करो, बट करो जरूर, ठीक है. हाँ, करो जरूर, ठीक है. सो वी आर डन विद द फर्स्ट वेरिएशन. द सेकंड वेरिएशन इज अगेन इजी. द normal way of doing squats is we have the shoulder width distance apart. The second variation will be, we will not have any distance between the legs and the thighs together. Okay, and then we will hold, and then we will come down and come up, come down and come up. Again, like I told Nisha ji, Smita and Malika, do only what is possible by you. Okay, others, let's do it. Okay, now everyone we will do together, don't worry. Okay, so can everyone take the position? Okay, so legs together. Yeah, hold your hand, make a fist to give you some support, and let us start. 1, go down to the maximum, very good Ajay sir. 2, down and up. 3, down and up. Malika, try to bring your legs close to each other. 4, down and up. 5, down and up. Feel the pain in your butt. 6, down and up. 7, down and up. 8, down and up. 9, down and up. 10, down and up. Last 10 to go. Up. 9, up. 8, up. 7, up. 6, up. 5, up. 4, up. 3, up. 2, up. And last count, and up. Very good.
Okay. So we were done with 2 variations, right? So let's start with the third variation now. Yeah. So the third variation, now from here on, it's a bit tough. So what we will do is, we will give 2 pulses. Okay. So what we are here, we will give 2 pulses like this, and we will jump up and then come back. So this will be 1 count. Okay. So we are here. I'll just repeat once again. We are here. We will do 2 pulse, jump up, and then this is 1 count. So same way, 2 pulse over here, then jump up and done. So this is 1 count. Okay, fine everyone. Okay, Nisha ji and Malika, don't jump. Just give pulse over here and then back. Pulse and then back. Pulse and then back. Don't jump. Malika and Nisha, don't jump. Okay, others, come on. Ajay sir, sorry for the interruption. You got time to wipe off your sweat. Come on, everyone. Let's come back. Okay? So the third variation, we are done with 40 squats already. So we have to start from 41 to 60. The third one, so let's start everyone. 1, we are here, 2 pulses and then jump up and done. Second count, 2 pulses, jump up. 3, 2 pulses, jump up. 4, 2 pulses, jump up. 5, 2 pulses, jump up. 6, 2 pulses, jump up. 7, 2 pulses, jump up. 8, 2 pulses, jump up. 9, 2 pulses, jump up. 10, 2 pulses, jump up. 11, 2 pulses, jump up. 12, 2 pulses, jump up. 13, 2 pulses and jump up. 14, 2 pulses, jump up. 15, 2 pulses, jump up. Come on, Lisa baby. 16, 2 pulses, jump up. 17, pulses up. 18, pulses up. 19, pulses up. Last count. 20 and up. Okay, very good everyone. So we are done with the third variation. Okay, just do inhale and exhale and just look at me for the fourth variation. What we will do? So the fourth variation will be, okay, we will come up in squat and then right leg down, left leg down, right leg up, left leg up, hold here and then come up. So this will be 2 squats. This will be counted as 2 squats. I am taking it as a bit easy. I will repeat again. You will come down and squat. Okay? From here, right leg down, left leg down, right leg up, left leg up, hold here and then come up. Fine, everyone. Fourth variation, we are ready. Nisha ji, knees se mat jana. Malika, don't go on your knee. You just come on squat and come up. Come in squat and come up. Okay? Others, let's go on our knees as well. Fine, everyone? We will start? Okay. Chal, everyone. So this is easy. Only 10 counts, right? Effectively only 10 counts because one while going down and one while coming up. So already 2 counts, right? In one move. So only 10 counts. I'm sure we will be able to do it. Okay? Chalo, everyone. So I'll stand like this. Again, let's start together. Everyone. Okay? 1 squat. Right leg down, left leg down, right leg up, left leg up. Remain here and then come up. 2 counts done. Squat. Right leg down, left leg down, right leg up, left leg up. Remain here and then come up. 2 counts. 3. Hold here. Right down, left down, right up, left up. Hold here and then come up. 3 done. Hold here. Down, left down, right up, left up. Hold here and come up. Very good, Malika. Come up. 6. Squat. Right, left, right up, left up. Hold here and come up. Come on, Malika. 6 down. Down, right down, left down, right up, left up. Hold here and then come. 7 count. Down, hold here, right, left, hold here and come. 8. Down, right down, left down, right up, left up, hold and come. 2 more counts to go. Down, hold, right, left, hold and come up. Last count. Down squat, right down, left down, right up, left up, hold here and come up. Very good, everyone. I could see you all doing it together. Very good, yeah. Very, very good. So we have come to the last variation for today. The best part is we have done all 80 squats together. And we will do now the remaining 20 also. The remaining 20, the last variation, is the final one and the most challenging one. Okay. So what we will do, place your palms on the mat and then you will jump in squat and back. Jump in and back. Now for Nishaji and Malika, don't jump at all. Just walk in how much you can and walk back. Walk in. Nishaji, you are able to see me, I hope so. Walk back No jumping. Walk in and walk back. Others, we will jump. It's okay. आप कितना अंदर तक आ पा रहे हो? Go till that place. It's okay. Fine. But let's jump in a squat position. So I will show you once again. My palms are on the mat, legs behind, jump and back. It's a kind of frog. Jump and back. Okay? So the last 20 counts. After this, I am giving you a break. Okay? We will sit and do Bhramari Pranayam. Fine? And then no standing exercises except Crow and Vishwamitra. We have to continue from yesterday. So we'll do that and then only sitting, nothing of standing. That's why warm up also I did with sitting only. I knew standing will be difficult. Okay? Chalo, everyone. Good to see Malika that you have taken the position already. Others, let's get ready. Palms on the mat and legs behind. Come on, last 20. Let's do it together, everyone. Come on. I'm starting the count. First count, jump in and back. 2, jump in and back. 3, jump in and back. 4, jump in and back. 5, jump in and back. 6, jump in and back. 7, jump in, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10, and back. Halfway through. 1, back again. 2, back again. 3, back again. 4, back again. 5, back again. 6, back again. 7, back again. 8, back again. 2 more counts. Back and up and back. And we are done. Okay. Very good, everyone. You can sit and relax. Okay? Back off, Mataji. Back off. Chalo. Very good. So with this, all of us have finished successfully the sports challenge. This week, we started with 40, 60, 80, yesterday 100, and today, at a stretch, all 100. So that matters a lot. Very good, everyone. Well done. Okay? Chalo. So before, now, we will move on to the pranayam section. Those who are new, we are practicing Bhramari Pranayam this week. Okay? So, in Bhramari Pranayam, what we will do, close your earlids with your thumb, place the other fingers on your face. You should try to hear only your noise from your ears, and then inhale, deep inhale, and then start doing a humming sound. So that you can feel the vibrations in your entire body. And now if you do it, trust me, if you do inhalation properly and exhalation till the last moment, you are going to sweat even more. That is my guarantee. Okay, fine. So let's start. 3 counts of normal inhale and exhale to just bring all the breath to normal, and then 10 rounds of Bhramari Pranayam. Okay, deep inhalation and exhalation. Fine. So first 3 counts of normal inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And third round. Inhale and exhale. With this, let's start with Bhramari Pranayam. Malika, you can do with me. Others, you start. Yes, Malika. So close your eyelid, place the fingers on the face, and then try to get your vibrations. Try to listen to your vibrations of. Let's start, everyone. Jaldi, चालू हो जाओ. All of us, let us slowly and slowly come back to asanas that we are doing in this week. Crow pose, okay? Let's start crow pose again. So Malika and Nisha, just wait. I'll tell you what has to be done. Others, you all know, try to make a web of your fingers on the mat, right? And then hold your elbows on the, hold your knees on the elbows, okay? And then lift your legs up. लीजा दीदी धीरे धीरे ट्राई करना, ठीक है? लीजा दीदी व्हाट यू विल डू इज दैट पहले ये वेब को हाथों को नीचे रखा और उसके बाद लेफ्ट लेग को नीचे रहने देना. डोंट लिफ्ट अप योर लेफ्ट लेग एंड राइट को खाली ऐसे ऊपर कर, बस इतना ही, ओके? तो राइट को टच किया, ये जो नी है उसको राइट एल्बो पे यू हैव टू टच एंड देन जस्ट लिफ्ट योर राइट लेग, इतना ही करना. सो यू ऑल्सो ट्राई ओनली दिस मच, ओके? सो जस्ट टच योर नी ऑन द राइट एल्बो and then just lift right leg up. Don't lift the left leg up. So Sarita and Lisa Didi, only this much. And Ajay and Smita, you try anyways, and Nisha ji and Malika. So what you have to do is, just have a look at me. Your fingers are on the mat, okay? And bring your knees closer to your elbow, and then keep going down. How much you can go, and then come up. So your knees are beside your elbows. It's beside you, and you are on your toes. Heels are not down. It will be difficult for you to sit. Yes, good Malika. So your legs are outside. Abhi niche ja, but just go down. Keep going down. Yes, and then come up. Very good. Okay, Nisha ji, keep going down, and then come up. Very good, Smita ji. Good effort. Very good try. सही जा रहे हो. चलो लीजा दीदी एंड सरिता, so tuck and lift right up. For you this is the variation. And Ajay sir and Smita, 1, let's start, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. Awesome Ajay sir. Awesome. Very good. ठीक है सरिता, you tried right? Okay, ठीक है. So let's move to the Vishwamitra, Ardha Vishwamitra. Okay, this everyone will do together. Palms on the mat. Come up in Adhomukhi Svanasana, inverted V or downward dog. Come on, everyone. Yes, very good Malika. Good. ठीक है. Right leg beside your right palm. निशा जी आ जाओ, ठीक है? उसके बाद now right hand goes inside the right leg, not from here, no, that is wrong, not like this, from inside here. Okay, chalo, show me everyone. You are here, now you are here. Right hand from inside comes here. Okay, let's try. And left leg is on the mat, and just lift your left hand up. Let's do only this much for now. Come on everyone. Yes, so Malika, legs को आगे लेकर आओ. Nisha ji, legs को आगे लेकर आओ. Bring it more. And be there only. Be there only, Malika. It's okay. Be there. Then change, Malika, and bring left leg in the front. And be there. Again go back. Bring right leg. Sarita, let's try. Show me. I want to see your posture today. Very good. Awesome. Cool. चलो अजय सर, आई नो यू हैव डन इट. एक बार और करेंगे, ऑल ऑफ अस टुगेदर. लीजा दीदी आ जाओ, ठीक है? स्मिता जी, गुड ट्राई. ऑसम, यू आर एबल टू लिफ्ट योर लेग यार. टू गुड. ठीक है, निशा जी एंड मलिका, राइट लेग को आगे लेकर आओ, जितना आगे लेकर जा सकते हो लेकर आओ. फिर वापस लेफ्ट लेग को आगे लेकर आओ, फिर वापस राइट लेग इन द फ्रंट, देन बैक, लेफ्ट लेग. अदर्स, कम ऑन, लेट्स ट्राई टू अचीव अर्ध विश्वामित्र आसन. Okay, so we are here. Right leg. My right hand is under the right leg. and then left leg is down. Okay, Sarita, we only do this much. It's okay. If you are able to do this much, it's fine. Others, lift your right leg up and hold. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. चलो अब इसे पकड़ लो, उठा लो. हाँ, very good. Awesome. Very good. सही. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come down. ठीक है? Let's do the same thing with the left leg now. After this, only 4 variations. वो सब बैठने का है, so don't worry. Your left leg is out. Left leg, everyone. Left hand goes inside the left leg. Sarita, right leg on the mat. Just lift your right hand up. Only that much for you. Malika and Nishaji, keep walking. Left leg out, right leg out. Left leg out, right leg out. Yes, very good, Malika. Very good, very good. ठीक है? Others, let's lift the right leg up and hold it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and bring it down. Okay? Good try, everyone. Whatever you try, it is good. Okay? Chalo. Let's come on the mat now. Okay? Now no more of standing. It's all now lying on the mat. Let's lie down on the mat, everyone. Okay? Let's lie down. Legs making a 90 degrees. Legs making a 90 degrees. And hands straight in the air. Legs making a 90 degrees. And hands straight in the air. Just do with me whatever I say. It is a bit confusing, so don't worry. Bring your right hand down and left leg down. Right hand is down and left leg is down. But my left hand and right leg is at the same position. Okay, so left leg is down and right hand down. And mind it, don't touch the mat. So we are back again. I will show you once again. We are here. Everyone, legs 90 degrees. Yes. And hands straight. Right hand down. Don't touch the mat. Left leg down. Don't touch the mat. उल्टा करना है. हाँ. फिर वापस आए. Right leg down and left hand down. Left hand and right leg down. फिर back. अभी क्या करेंगे? Right hand down and left leg down. Okay, I am telling the instructions. Just listen to me. Right hand down and left leg down. Everyone. Right hand down and left leg down. Hand पीछे रखो स्मिता जी, पीछे लेके जाओ. Hand पीछे लेके जाना है. और पीछे. Yes, you got it. और left leg. Left leg को नीचे. ठीक है. So right hand पीछे गया and left leg. Okay, so again, just look at me once. I'm just showing it to you once again. We were here. Right hand here. Huh? Correct. So मेरा right hand नीचे है और left leg नीचे. ठीक है? Perfect. So everyone, I am in this position. Can you come? Right hand is down, not here. Here, it's above my head. So right hand is here, left leg is down, and both are in the air. They are not touching the mat. ठीक है? Back. अब आ जाओ, everyone. Right leg down and left hand down. Right leg down and left hand down. Can you feel the pressure on the abdomen, everyone? I think so. If you are doing it correctly, you will. Right hand is straight, left hand is down, and right leg. ठीक है? वापस आ जाओ. Right hand down, left leg down. Let's do 10 counts. Back. Left hand down, right leg down. Malika, yes, very good. Right leg is down, left hand is down. Back. Right hand is down and left leg is down. Dead bug. Okay, this is known as dead bug. Back. Left hand is down, right leg is down. 5 count. Back. Right hand is down, left leg is down. Back. Left hand is down, right leg is down. Back. Right hand is down and left leg. 2 more counts. Back. Left hand is down and right leg is down. Back. Right hand is down and left leg is down. And let's come back. And we are done with the first abdominal exercise. Now, what we will do? We will hold for 10 counts with legs in the air at around 30 degrees. Back should be straight. Okay, only 10 counts. Then we will lift it a bit more and then 90 degrees. So we will hold 30, 60 and 90 for 10 counts. Let's try if we can do it. Okay, this is easy. Everyone can do it. Yeah, I know you will not be able to hold it. It's okay, bring it down and then bring it up. Let's start with 30 degrees, legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 60 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, we are done with the second exercise. I hope you could feel some pressure on your abdomen. The third stretch or the third exercise. Bring your legs straight up in the air, hands back. Okay, now what we will do? Come up, touch your ankle or whatever, wherever you can touch, and go back. 2 touching, 1, 2, and back. 1, 2, and back. Yes. Very good, Lisa Didi. दिखाओ एक बार Lisa Didi. ऊपर जाओ. Very good. Back. Yes, sir. Good, Sarika. Very good. Touch. Be there for 2 counts and then come back. Be there for 2 counts and back. Okay. So we will do for 10 counts everyone. Okay. Legs are straight. Hands back. Let's start together everyone. 1. Back. 2. Back. 3. Back. 4. Back. 5. Back. 6. Back. 7. Back. 8. Back. 9. And back. And 10. And back. And legs are down. Okay, everyone. We are done with the 3 exercises for abdomen. Let's come back and let's come and sit again in Sukhasana to do the second set of pranayam for today. Before we move to the last section of 2 to 3 stretches, and we will be done with the session. Okay? So, everyone, let's come back. This time, I think we are having normal breath. So, let's start directly. Bhramari Pranayam. Everyone, please, let's take pranayam very seriously. You all are seeing what is the importance of oxygen these days in our life. So, while pranayam, we actually inhale a lot of oxygen and we also increase our lung capacity. Okay? So, let's take pranayam very seriously and do inhalation and exhalation properly. Okay? With this, let's start with Bhramari Pranayam once again. Come on, baby. Once everyone is done, let us start with the stretching. Lie down on your mat. Just hold your right leg or right toe with the right hand and lift it up straight as much as you can and just bring it towards your head. Back should be straight. Left hand and left leg straight. Right toe touch with your right leg. Don't bend the knee. Okay, the knee should be straight. If you are not able to touch the toe, it's fine. Touch the chin or the calf muscles. Wherever you are able to hold it, but hold it straight. Yes. Good, Lisa Didi. Very good. Very good, Smita ji. Very good, Ajay sir. Let's continue for 20 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right leg goes down. Left leg comes up. We are just trying to relax our legs because we did a lot of squats today. Okay, left leg goes up, holding the left toe. Those who can hold the ankles, shin muscles, calf muscles, whatever you can hold, just hold that. And then try to hold for 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we are done with the first stretch. Let's come back for the second stretch. Come up on the mat. Okay. Palms on the mat. Right leg is in the front, between the palms. Okay. आ जाओ. Right leg between the palms. हाँ, अभी हम लोग left knee को. Okay. Smita ji, you will have to take care. And Nisha ji, left toe, hold it with both the hands. Try to take support. Yes, very good, Ajay. Okay, Sarita, try to maintain balance and then with the right leg and then hold for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly with the support of your right hand, leave the left leg, and the same thing we will do on the other side. Left leg goes out. Okay. Right leg. Very good. Hold it. Bring it to your butt area. And let's hold it for 10 counts with both the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here only, let's do Ardha Hanumanasana, the last stretch for today. So, continue to be in this posture. And now, hands across your legs, and then let's start walking towards the front of the mat and back, front of the mat and back, knees are straight, front of the mat and back, knees are straight. One more count, front of the mat and back, knees are straight. And from here only, slowly and slowly, try to bring your knees back and let's come in Ardha Hanumanasana. Try to bring your head towards the knees. You may want to go down very slowly. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings over there. Okay? Very slowly. Let's go down for 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And just relax. Bring your left leg back. The last stretch for today. Your right leg comes back in the front. The same way. Hands are against away. And then go back. Knees are straight. Front, back, front, and back. Last round, front. Start to push your left knee back as much as you can. And then keeping your right knee straight, go towards your knee as much as you can and hold there for 20 counts. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And let's come back. And let's come in Sukhasana or Vajrasana, whichever posture you are comfortable with. And just relax for 3 breaths before we chant Om 3 times to finish the practice for today. Back straight, sit straight. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Hold pranam in front of your heart. Let's chant together Om, everyone. If you want, let's unmute yourself so that everyone can hear the chanting together and we can feel the vibrations of all of us together. So I request all of you to unmute yourself and then let's chant Om together. Okay? Inhale. Gently start rubbing your palms. Rub them fast, fast, and fast. Once enough heat is generated, place the palms on your eyes. Feel the bring the palms in front of your eyes. With a smile on your face, gently open your eyes. Thank you everyone for joining the class today. Thank you so much. Sorry for this. And thank you everyone. Good job done today. 100 squats to